Hi everyone, with me today I have this awesome spatula set I found on Amazon and it came in a set of 5. I picked this gorgeous color blue, but they have so many others as well. Now in this 5-piece set, you don't just get normal spatulas, you get other things as well. So let's break it down. First of all, these are just regular spatulas, both the large one and the small one, but you're also going to get what they call a spinula. That is a spatula with a spoon built in. As you can see, this side looks like spatula, this side looks like a spoon, and these are awesome for scraping any extra batter off the bottom of your stand mixer bowl, or maybe just scooping up some frosting. Again, you have the large and the small as well. And lastly, you get a jar spatula. These are awesome for getting the last little bit of jam or peanut butter out of the bottom of a jar. These come super in handy for that. Now, these are super easy to clean. As you can see, they don't have that little neck that usually spatulas that you see commonly sold do. They don't pop right off. They're spatula all the way through. Again, super easy to clean. They are heat resistant up to 600 Fahrenheit, and they are just incredible. And if blue is not your favorite color, don't worry, they have so many others. So check the set out on Amazon. It's awesome. If you're like a fellow baker and cooker just like me, you're gonna adore adding this to your kitchen.